A Blavatskyan Theosophical Perspective on the Nature of Reality by Dave Marsland of Cardiff Theosophical Society. In Blavatskyan Theosophy, reality is viewed as a multi-layered construct, where the physical realm is merely the outermost layer of a more profound spiritual existence. This notion suggests that beneath the surface of everyday experiences lies a rich tapestry of spiritual truths that can be accessed through deeper contemplation and esoteric practices. Theosophical teachings often refer to the concept of the one life, which posits that all beings are interconnected through a universal life force. This idea echoes the ancient wisdom found in various spiritual traditions, which emphasize the unity of all existence. Moreover, the theosophical perspective encourages individuals to transcend the limitations of the material world and explore the subtler dimensions of reality. This exploration is not merely an intellectual exercise, but a transformative journey that involves the cultivation of higher states of consciousness. By engaging in practices such as meditation, self-inquiry, and ethical living, individuals can begin to peel back the layers of illusion that obscure their understanding of the true nature of existence. Central to this metaphysical framework of theosophy is the idea that human perception is inherently limited. Blavatsky and her followers argue that the senses can only grasp a fraction of the vast spectrum of reality. This limitation is compounded by the influence of cultural conditioning, personal biases, and emotional attachments, which can distort one's understanding of the world. Theosophy posits that to access higher truths, individuals must cultivate a discerning mind and develop their intuitive faculties. Theosophical teachings emphasize the importance of inner development, suggesting that through disciplined practice, individuals can refine their perception and gain insights into the spiritual dimensions of existence. This process often involves the study of sacred texts, the contemplation of philosophical concepts, and the engagement with spiritual communities. By fostering a deeper awareness of the interconnectedness of all life, individuals can begin to transcend the ego-driven perspective that often dominates human experience.